Okay, so let's get back to the second one. I guess this was the final, yeah, for the Euro USD. What was this? What was the setup over here? Okay, short, yeah. So this decision is based off us hitting a level, reaction, change of character, long wick. Look at this long wick. There was some type of reaction over here, yeah. Change of character or liquidation. Liquidity, sorry. Okay, if it's proven otherwise, okay, let's see. Okay, so on the Euro USD, we have a setup for the short. Obviously, after everything gets validated, yes, we're not gonna enter just blindly. The stop loss, I would love to just bring it down a little bit. If we close underneath this level, 15 minutes, let's see. So this is our level. I'm just gonna wait for the reaction. I'm gonna see if we can close underneath, close above, because everything can change, right? If it closes, we're gonna continue to the downside. If it closes underneath, that's the case. Okay. This would be the next target if we move to the upside. So obviously on a 2 hour, even 4 hour, this is our range. This is our higher low and a higher high. So when we're looking at this, when we're looking at the 4 hour, 2 hour time frame, we are still moving to the upside, yeah. Higher highs and higher lows are being built. The recent higher low is still valid. So let's see how this will play out. Okay, are we gonna rebound over here? Maybe collect some money and then continue on the way down. Maybe we can make some money. Let's see what happens. Everything can change. Okay, let's get to the next one. So British GBP USD. Let's go. Delete, because we want to start fresh. Boom. Okay, let's mark up these levels again. Boring stuff again. So let's go. 1 day. This is a awesome level. This is a nice level as well. 1 day. This is a great level actually. Now this is a beautiful range right here. Wow. What do we have here? Wow, this is a beautiful level as well. That's a pivot level for sure, but this is a beautiful range. Let's go to 4 hour. Let's see what we have here. Look at this reaction from this level. Again, everything validates this level, right? Because if I mark it from here, I love what I like to do. I like to go all the way back and see if this level actually validates. Yeah, so look at this reaction over here. So we have a reaction over here. Look at this. Boom. So this is another confirmation that we have a valid support resistance level, sorry. So on the way down. Now we are testing this level, yeah? So this could be another leg up. Look at this level. Just levels everywhere. Boom. So now we are over here. So since we came down, this could be a good play. We came down, revisited a support level, came down, now we're moving back up. Yeah, so we can reach these highs again. So change of character, change of character, change of character, break or structure, break or structure. So here we go, 4-hour play. So this is going to be our level. This is going to be our new accumulation level until we find out what's the start. Yes, basically we can just leave it like that. Here and here. We need to close above in order for us to go up. If we stay in this level, everything is still showing for the uptrend. If we close above this level, because this is a strong level as well, for our support possibilities are liquidity over here can be taking an easy reversal, but as of right now it seems like this is going to be our next push up to the upside. Let's see 30 minutes, how this one looks in 30 minutes. Let's see what's the start here. Any fair value gaps, 30 minutes, we're going to go down to 30 minutes. That's a nice fair value gap over here. 15 minutes, what we have, 15 minutes to the side. We definitely have a level over here as well. So we definitely have a level over here as well. If we move to 30 minutes, even 2 hours, let's see what we have over here. If this level goes anywhere. Reaction. Strong level as well. Validates everything else. So here we are again. Minutes. Let's look at these fair value gaps. Now this one is taken out. These two are taken out. There's more room to the upside. Okay, here we go. 5-minute fair value gap. Touched, not even. For me to enter on this one, I will need to see what. Definitely, we are pushing up. It would be much better if actually this closed above this level, right? And we would have this type of accumulation above. That would be a much stronger confirmation to the upside. But since we are over here, this could be the same thing, accumulation, and then blah blah blah. But usually when there's a reaction, three touches from a level, this doesn't look good because obviously we are trying. So this is going to be our range, and we have to wait for confirmation again. Close over here to go to the upside. obviously on a 4-hour time frame, when we look at the 4-hour, this is still bullish. Okay, this is still bullish. This will be our higher low, and this one will be our higher high. So this is another level. This is our range, right? To either or. Okay, next one. We just wait. Again, what do you want me to do? So from here, if I did enter, maybe I will consider this one. Coming down again. Now we're just playing ping pong. For some reason, testing the support level, resistance level, testing again and again, coming down. Now we are making lower, higher lows, lower highs. So I wonder if this level, so let's see what happens with this level actually. It's going to be a quick scalp. Let's see what happens. Next, USD, JPY. Delete. Okay, let's go daily. Let's go to daily. Mark up these levels again. Let's see if I see anything. Let's clone this. See what we have over here. Definitely reactions. Yes. Okay. Okay. Back to 4 hours. Let's see what we have here. Off a 4 hour, it's a clear uptrend reaction. Continuation from here. On a 4 hour. There's a reaction. Obviously now in a 4 hour time frame, this is still bullish, yeah. But now now we are building lower lows and lower highs for sure, right? Boom, boom, boom. As you can see, boom. Yeah. So we did have a reaction from this level. Now 30 minutes. Let's see what we have in 30 minutes. Change of character. Boom. Fair value gap. Bullish fair value gap. Yes or no? Okay, let's leave it like this. It's not overcomplicated. Okay, liquidity out to the upside. Obviously, this is a change of character. On 15 minutes, we have our lower low. Change of character. Not a strong one, but it is. I don't know if I would do anything with this trade. So this is our current setup for USD yen to the upside. Obviously, this fair value gap has to be respected in order for it to be valid. We go underneath, we continue to down, we continue a downtrend. It's gonna turn bearish. Let's see what happens here. So this will be another setup, yeah. So let's just mark this like this. If we do enter stop loss, and I need to yoke. This could be liquidity as well. So here we go. A little manipulation over here, I think. This fair value gap. Boom. Okay, this could be a good one. Let's see what happens on the USD JPY. Quick one, but good one. Last one on the list, Aussie USD. Delete 15 following as well. Okay, let's go. What we have here. Strong support level. It's being broken, yeah. Okay, I like this range right here. I don't like what's happening over here. This is going to be our new target. This will be our new target. Look at this. That's another good level right here. Look at the reaction over here. Yes, it doesn't have to be pretty. Yeah, it just has to be. It doesn't have to be on point. It just has to be around it. Obviously, the closer it is, the more valid it is, right? But this range is nice. And this is 1 day. 1 day. So this is a nice setup. Quick little scalp. Yeah, this will be a very nice one. 30 minutes. Yeah. Take. Yeah, this could be the target. This could be a good entry on Monday if we come down to this level. If we actually come down to this level, stop loss. What is it, 20 pips? 24 pips? This will be a good level. Yeah, that's it. Again, I kind of, okay, so what is it? Australian, okay, Aussie, this could be my number one, maybe. 4 possible entry. Okay, because this seems there's a good momentum right here. And this could be a quick, nice 1 to 3. What was the other one? Euro USD, I think. That was maybe my second possible. It's a lot of stuff going on over here, so probably not. On a 4-hour, we still moving to the upside. And retesting this support level. As of right now, this setup is still bullish, but you never know what's gonna happen underneath. Okay, so never mind with the Euro USD, British USD. What was it over here? Possible 2 entries as well. Another leg up. Another leg up from here. If so, if everything holds in this range, even underneath. So probably not this one. USD JPY. USD JPY. Strong reaction. Back to the upside. Need to wait for this to come down over here if we're gonna take a trade. Yes, sir. Okay, so our gold. What was the story with our gold? Okay, that was a nice setup over here, right? If we will enter. That would be a nice entry right here for gold. Wow. Trying to target the all-time highs, yeah? Possible. Liquidity was taken. Accumulation. New York. for our EMA as well. Confluences to the upside. Obviously, this is going to be a test. Wow. That changes everything, right? I don't know. We'll see what the Monday is going to bring. NASDAQ. With NASDAQ, what do we have here? Same scenario. Confirmation first. Clear uptrend around resistance level. Some type of reaction from resistance level. Accumulation, and here is going to be our confirmation. Upside, bullish, bearish. Boom. So if we enter, we enter here only. Let's see what happens on Monday. Okay, so we have a few setups, and obviously I need to be very careful what I'm doing because I do want to pass my challenge. So let's see how it goes. Let's keep it nice and simple. Happy Sunday, everybody. Let's go.